How to save money fast. Stop doing this now. Smith is celebrating his 50th birthday with a deep sense of disappointment. Like you and me, years ago, he wanted to spend quality time with his family. He often wished he could take one more day off every Monday. And dreamed of escaping the rat race as soon as possible to follow his dreams. However, his entire life was consumed by the hours between 4 a.m. and 7 p.m. And although he did his best to escape the rat race and dedicated everything he could, a few persistent mistakes prevented him from truly enjoying financial independence. If you want to achieve financial freedom early and avoid making the same mistakes as Smith, watch this video till the end. This is Stack and Invest, your one-stop destination for all things finance. Just tap the subscribe button, and we will provide you with valuable insights, tips, and strategies to achieve financial independence. Mistake number 1, you are doing brand promotion for nothing. Let me ask you a simple question. You always wear branded watches or outfits, but do the brands pay you? Absolutely not. You are indirectly doing brand promotion in parties, events, or on social media. But the brands pay you nothing. In fact, your expensive online purchases break your bank account. The fun fact is that you don't purchase a branded product for yourself. You just own it to show off the feel of having that brand. Mr. Buffett is absolutely against with this mindset. He only purchases something when he finds an actual need of it. Many of us go crazy when we see a new iPhone model about to launch. Or when we see a new luxury car that we can own with the help of some installments. Without making a second thought, we just go for it. On the other hand, Warren Buffett has no interest in super high-end cars. According to a Forbes report, in 2014, Mr. Buffett bought a Cadillac XTS after driving his previous Cadillac DTS for 8 years. Even he switched to iPhone in 2020 after using Samsung's $20 flip phone for several years. Mistake number 2, get rid of credit cards. Now, this fact might shock you. According to a report published on www.marketwatch.com, Buffett pays cash 98% of the time. It's really hard to believe when people like you and me regularly swipe cards. And billionaires like Warren Buffett make their most of transactions through cash. But this is another secret of his grand wealth. During an interview with Yahoo Finance, he said, "I've got an American Express card, which I got in 1964, but I pay cash 98% of the time." There is a common mindset, credit card is making our lives easier, but it's not the truth. Actually, we are used to making decisions following others' reviews. Finance companies around the world apply this psychology in their business. Their advertisements tempt us to use credit card by showcasing the benefits of having it. But it's an illusion. They are just making us used to overspending. You can buy something when you have sufficient amount in your wallet or in your bank account. But with credit card, you just need to swipe and buy. If you want to save your hard-earned money, make sure to reduce the use of credit cards. Getting rid of the credit card is a bit challenging, but here are some tips you can try. Create a budget. Create a monthly or weekly budget and start tracking your expenses. It will help you to get proper insights into your unnecessary expenses. Use a debit card. Using a debit card may not be comfortable just like a credit card, but it will help you to reduce that you own credit card companies every time you swipe. Consider alternative payment methods. Try some alternative payment methods such as cash, checks, or something else that you feel comfortable with. While these methods may not be as convenient as credit cards, they can help you avoid accumulating debt. Mistake number 3. We spend a lot on meals. You might know this scene from the 1994 movie Richie Rich. Most of people are wondering to have their own McDonald's if they have abundant wealth like Warren Buffett. Popular brands like McDonald's, Starbucks, KFC, and many more have set up an illusion. We feel blessed when we have a pricey cup of coffee at Starbucks, no matter what it costs. But the actual billionaires never spend their money on this. This is a very important thing to do. Instead, they smartly opt for other alternatives. Billionaire Warren Buffett can easily afford to hire any chef in the world to cook his favorite meals all day, or he can dine in at the most expensive restaurants more than twice a day. But he opts to eat inexpensive breakfasts from McDonald's and is known for making his own lunches. Even sometimes, he prefers not to have store-bought coffee. Instead, he makes his own. In HBO documentary Becoming Buffett, he said that sometimes he opts for $2.61 breakfast option that includes sausage patas and a can of Coke. The footprints of the Oracle of Omaha can also be helpful to us. Spending your hard-earned money on expensive food items just for clicking some pictures and posting them on social media is not a good idea. In long run, this habit can break your bank account, too. Mistake number 4. Never take a loan. This is modern era, and we must have some appliances to comfort our lifestyle. This demand leads us to borrow money from various financial institutions. We need a smartphone, probably an iPhone, a luxurious car, a full furnished house with all flashy accommodations. We have an endless wish and to fulfill them. Loan companies are ready to borrow your money, and needless to say that we never hesitate to take advantage of easy money. But if we talk about Warren Buffett, he rarely takes out loans except for a mortgage. Buffett has had only one mortgage, a vacation home that he purchased in 1971. According to Warren Buffett, if you get a 30-year mortgage, it's the best instrument in the world. In an interview with Yahoo Finance, Buffett said, "I thought I could probably do better with the money than have it be an all-equity purchase of the house. Of course, you pay interest on most any loan you get, but mortgages do tend to have lower interest rates than personal loans or credit cards, and you own the home outright once you repay the mortgage. Borrowing money can be an excellent advantage when there is something you really need to survive. But if you are going to spend the money to make your lifestyle more comfortable and lavish, that won't be a smart decision." Mistake number 5. He only buys what he actually needs. There is a well-known quote by Mr. Buffett: "If you buy things you don't need, you will soon sell things you need." This is one of the most practical examples of life given by Warren Buffett. If you can repurpose dresser into bassinet, you can save your hard-earned money from wasting on needless things available on online sale. So next time when you see a tag offering 40% or 50% discount, wait a second and ask yourself, do you really need that? These are some of the most common mistakes that never let you save money. I hope from now, you will change your perspective and think more like Warren Buffett. Financial know is an important factor to be rich, and here our channel is dedicated to help you in every possible manner. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update.